Got me in a Birdream bird feeder. Gonna get it opened up, check it out, get it put together, fill it up, and hang it in a tree, and then we will see if we can feed some little birds. And it looks like it comes with the cord to hang it on. That is going to be nice, so you won't have to look for something to hang the bird feeder on. Looks like it's going to have some assembly required. Looks like it's 2 bird feeders. I didn't realize it was 2 of them, but it is 2 bird feeders. Now I just realized what this is. This is going to be the little covers to hold the bird feed in. So definitely going to have to assemble these. Has our instructions on how to put it together. So, okay, first thing we have to do is put the little supports between the bottom of the bird feeder and the top. It's like easy to follow instructions. If you'll notice on these, and I just noticed, the ends, the little part that sticks up, one end is wider than the other. The narrow end is going to go towards the base, and the wider end will be up towards the top. Just push that into place, and it will slip right in between the little slots right here, just like that. Now we will just take the ring right here and put it in place, just like that. Now we will slide the little screen windows, if you will, into place. Those will snap down into place. Make sure they, down here at the bottom, that they go in between the, like so, like that. And this would be the part where you would put the bird seed in and then put your roof on there and lock it down into place. And there you have it. Has the little perches right here for the birds to sit on. And down here in the bottom is the little feeder troughs, if you will. And the bird feed will be right down in the bottom of that. So let's go get some bird feed, get them filled up and hung, and then we will see what kind of birds we can attract. Okay, I had said you put the lid on there, and you do, but it has notches in the lid where these slide in there, and then you will take it and put it, and then you can turn it, and then that will lock that lid on there. I just noticed that, so I thought I would share that with you. Got some bird feed, let's get them filled up. And we'll put the roofs back on there and lock them into place. There we go. Let's go hang them in the tree. There we go. That's one. We'll get the other one hung, and we'll be in good shape. Now we're going to hang this one over in the other tree. Put it right up here. And there we have it. We've got them both hung. We'll see the little birds land right here and have a feast. Well, we got the bird feeders out, and as you can see, they are getting used. That's great. The cool thing about these, I didn't realize it, in this area we have large dove that will eat a lot. And the fortunate thing about that is these perches are too small for the great big birds, so it gives the smaller finch type birds opportunity to eat. I like them. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I may receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.